Hello everyone. In this video, I will find the value of this expression. If you know the answer, put it in the comments. Let's solve it together. 9 minus 3 square times 9 minus 3 in parentheses. The common mistake people make when solving this kind of question is that they just start solving from left to right. They begin working from left to right. And when you do that here, minus here, this subtraction is in the last order, so it's the first thing the last operation we will do. So if we begin with it, the answer will be wrong. For us to know the one we are going to begin with and the one we will finish it with, we have to follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. Using PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses. Here, this is the parenthesis. 9 minus 3 is in parentheses. We begin with that. 9 minus 3 square. 9 minus 3 is 6. Next, in the order of operation is exponent. Exponent means something like this. 2 raised to power 3 or 2 raised to power 2. So is there anything that look like this here? This is it. So we are going to solve this one. So we have 9 minus 3 square is 9. The meaning of 3 square is that 3. This is the meaning. 3 times 3. That is 3 square. And that gives us what? 9. That's the 9 we have here. Now, put your parentheses there. 6. Next is multiplication. Next in the order of operation is multiplication. And here is multiplication. So we'll put down this 9 minus 9 times 6 is 54. And finally, 9 minus 54 will give us minus 45. This is the correct answer.